What's going on, everybody? Frankie Martinez here, part of the Martinez team at Iron Key Real Estate. And if you're a home shopper looking in Fowler, California, we have the listing for you. 1224 West Nelson Avenue is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that was built in 2007 and sits at just over 2,000 square feet. As you enter the property, you are immediately greeted by an open concept floor plan, complete with wood-look laminate floors and tons of natural light. The kitchen offers a large island complete with tile counters, white cabinetry, and brand new stainless steel appliances. The large, secluded master suite offers views to the backyard and has been updated with ceiling fan, new carpets, and a fresh coat of paint. The ensuite bathroom comes complete with walk-in closet, dual sinks, large soaking tub, and a walk-in stall shower. The 3 secondary bedrooms are all very good size and have been updated with new carpets, fresh coat of paint, and updated light fixtures. In the backyard, you will find an integrated stucco patio with custom brick extension and an additional concrete island, perfect for additional seating. Alrighty, everybody, thank you so much for taking the time to tour 1224 West Nelson with us today. We really do appreciate it. This move-in ready home, it's not gonna last very long. So if you're interested in making this house your home, call your local real estate agent today. And if you don't have a real estate agent, the Martinez team is always standing by, ready to help. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.